Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications in XM app. In trading, missing a small update can mean missing a big opportunity. The XM app helps you stay connected through real-time notifications, alerting about price movements, trade activity, and important account updates. By enabling notifications, you do not need to constantly check out the app. Everything important comes directly to you. First, you need to open your XM app on a device and make sure to log into your trading account if you already have not so. And after that, what you can do is in the top right corner, there's a menu icon. You need to access there just by tapping, and over here what you can do is go to the setting on the bottom, and under this setting we can find there's an option for the notifications. Under the preferences, simply tap on the notifications there, and over here simply tap just beside the enable push notifications, and that is it. This is how you can enable notifications in XM app. Enabling notification in XM app is quick and essential for staying informed. Once turned on, you'll receive real-time updates that help you react faster and manage your trades more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.